Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, well, and welcome to the new update on Render. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out another down channel, Render formed another up channel on the smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently we had a breakout from this up channel. By the way, target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you in my previous videos was here. That was approximately at $11.54. And you can see that the price line, after hitting that target, even slightly moved beyond that target up to $11.90. Price line again dropped down and re-entered the same channel. And still, it is following the same resistance and support of this previous up channel that was previously broken out here. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this recent breakout from this down channel and this very massive breakout from this long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. By the way, I have been showing you this down channel, this one, in my so many previous videos, even before the breakout as well, when it was moving inside this channel. And in those days, I've been telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then render can hit here at the top of the channel. That was, by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel. That was approximately at somewhere between $8 to $10, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to $13.18. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of June 2022 up till this high, then you can see that overall it was a more than 4,950, almost 5,000% rally. But now, recently, it was stuck inside in another down channel, and now we have finally broken it out as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared a few days ago on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And this signal has produced almost 65% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 22nd of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that render completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see after the completion of the final leg, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line for some correction. And once it will be entered inside this buying zone, then we can buy it from the buying zone. By the way, this was a complete trade signal, buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal. First, it again dropped down into the buying zone here. And we had a very nice reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 65%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of render. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this up channel since after 12th of November 2024. It was moving inside this up channel. You can see that we got rejections here. We had a bounce here. First, we had a rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejections, bounce, and we had another bounce here. So many rejections here, and finally the price broke out. And after hitting the target for the breakout, the price could not continue this move to the upside and re-entered the same channel and still following the same resistance and support of this previous up channel. Now, this time, if the price breaks out once again this channel, by the way, in case of breaking down, the technical target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the channel at $6.34. But in my opinion, it can also test this downtrend line support as well. That is the resistance of the previous down channel that we have already broken out on the daily time frame chart. And in case of breaking out the channel, this time the target will be here. That will be approximately at $13.09. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that recently it was moving inside this down channel. Let me show you this move on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that it was moving inside this down channel for the past several weeks or months since after the month of March 2024. And we have just broken out the resistance of the channel. And now we are about to hit the target for the breakout from this channel. By the way, before that, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel. And after that, we had almost 5,000% rally. But the price and found a very, very strong resistance line here that starts from $12.50 and goes to $13.85. You can see that we got rejections here, we got rejections here. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance line. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from the recent down channel that is happening here on the daily time frame chart, then technical target for the breakout is here at the top of the channel at $13.85. That is showing us again the projection at this resistance zone. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another powerful attempt to break out this resistance zone. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.